Exactly just like how I suspected. DJ Maphorisa and Ringo Mahlengozi are in the studio. Hopefully, Maphorisa calls Ringo as a special performance. Scorpion Kings, Live and Friends.